this video, I'm going to give you 5 web dev project ideas which can help you stand out from the crowd. So without wasting any time, let's directly get into the video. On fifth, we have an edtech platform where you can buy and sell courses as well as watch them, review them. It can be a great beginner friendly project because it's not that complex, but it will use most of the concepts which you have learned in web dev. Also, its code is available on my GitHub, so if you want to check it out for reference, you can. On fourth, we have any website which uses other technologies like blockchain or AI/ML. For example, a data label platform which uses a crypto wallet to sign in or pay. This project shows that you can easily integrate other technologies with which you are not familiar. So this type of project is a great project to stand out. On third, we have Google Classroom. Yes, you might think that it's really easy to build Google Classroom, but it's not that easy. I don't think it's a beginner-friendly project. You may have to learn many things on the go, like RabbitMQ, few system design concepts from different tutorials or documentations, which is great because in development you most of the time have to learn things on the go. So this can teach you how to learn things on the go. So this is a great project to stand out, especially if you build it properly. Its schema can be also a bit complex. You may have to manage many microservices also. So if you like to take challenges, this is the project for you. On second, we have an online code judge like LeetCode, Codeforces, CodeChef, etc. If built properly, it can teach you a lot about Docker, Kubernetes, as well as other system design concepts. Again, you may have to learn many things on the go from different documentation tutorial, which is great. This is really a great project to stand out. In this also, you may have to manage different microservices. The explanation and architecture of this project is available on my YouTube channel, so you can check it out for reference if you want to. Link is in the description. Also, its code is available on my GitHub. You can check it out for reference. And finally, on top one, we have a project which you have always wanted to build, like a product or a service. You will be more passionate about building this type of project than others, so obviously you will put more efforts. You'll add more features according to your needs, and don't just build it, take it to the production level and get real world users so that you can get feedback on it. You may also have to add features according to other users, which can be really great to teach you a lot. I've also tried building this type of project but didn't get many real world users, though I'm still building one. I will launch it soon. So all the best for building your projects. Don't just binge watch videos like these. Actually go and build the project now instead of just binge watching these type of videos, which most people do. So that's it for this video. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with your friends. Do comment down which type of videos do you want in the future. I'll see you guys in the next one.